Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. This is Tolani, and she lost this much of hair. This was in a month, and during that month she went through a lot of changes in her body. She started menses. Yeah, I consider, because puberty and all that takes a toll on our children's hair. And what I did was, the night before, I put some oil on our hair, and this is my pre-poo oil treatment, and all these ingredients actually help and benefit our hair. One thing that I also did was, after I did that, the next day, so we're going on to the next day, what I did was I started off by clarifying our hair, and I'm using the product that I use for my hair. I use for our sister's hair, and this is the Kadima hair product, and I'm just going to apply the product throughout our hair. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that at each stage of your children's development, they're going to go through changes in their hair, and you as a parent, you have to assess what you're doing and change it. Now, Tolani has gone through a major change with her getting into the teenage years, and with her just losing so much hair and so many things. Other changes that has happened in her body is a nutrient. She doesn't like some food, so I have to incorporate some new changes in our hair care, and this is one of it. So I'm going to start off first by making my green tea rinse. Now, you can also use black tea. What does this benefit? So this helps reduce shedding, strengthens our hair, it controls dandruff, helps with the shine, and improves the health of our hair. With teenagers, what causes their hair loss is like iron deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, B12, magnesium. So I need to put something in our hair that will strengthen. This is my Kadima pumpkin cinnamon spice mask. This mask helps to strengthen the hair follicles, and it also helps to improve the elasticity and so much more. I'm going to put a few scoops of that and also add in my hibiscus flower. Now, why am I adding hibiscus flower? Hibiscus has been known to help with hair loss a lot. Hibiscus also helps to condition the hair, reduce breakage, helps with dryness, it nourishes the hair, and it strengthens the root. So with all these mixtures, for you to see results, you have to be consistent in using products. So we will probably be doing this every 2 weeks, and we don't touch our hair so much, so every 2 weeks will be okay for her at this point. Okay, so this is the mixture of the tea. It has cooled down, and this tea, this is green tea, but you can also use black tea in this instance. So this is the two treatments that I'm going to be using in our hair today. Let's fast forward. We've already rinsed the shampoo from our hair, and I'm going to take the green tea, and this green tea rinse can be used before you condition the hair, or it can be used after as a leave-in conditioner. I would like to also say that the hair loss in girls and hair loss in boys can differ. The patterns can differ, especially when they hit that teenage years. So if you notice your children losing their hair, something happening with their hair, first of all, you want to check their diet. Make sure they're eating foods that are rich in folic acid, foods that are rich in iron, foods that benefits their hair. So I'm going to use the hair mask now. This is the hibiscus hair mask. This hair mask is very, very moisturizing. So I'm starting with putting it on the parts of our hair that are weaker. The conditioner I'm using is also good for weak hair. So this will help strengthen our hair over time. So when you are doing this to your children's hair, always make sure that you are deliberate in how you are applying the product. Apply each strand of the hair. Make sure you coat it really, really well. I found out that by using hibiscus in our hair, and also you can also use aloe vera. Aloe vera is also a good alternative. So if you don't want to use hibiscus, you can use aloe vera. Some people also use amla. Some people also use shea. So you have to just do what works for your child's hair. Please, before you put products on their hair, always do a patch test. So you can look at the link that just popped up where I show you how to do a patch test on your child's hair. So after I apply all the conditioner in her hair, the hibiscus hair mask, or should we call this the DIY hibiscus hair mask for hair growth or for hair loss? So after I apply it to her hair, this is what her hair looks like. She likes the shade of pink. But yeah, so this is it. I want to give a big shout out to Vanette. I found her on our Amazon Live. We do Amazon chats every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday on our Amazon page. So you can look in the link in the description area where you can find out how to follow our Amazon page. But she was the one that asked about this treatment, and since it's something that I incorporate into my hair too, I thought I'll show you how to incorporate it into your child's hair. So you want to leave this treatment in your child's hair for 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes is sufficient enough, and just cover the hair with a plastic bag like that, like so. Make sure you get all the hair in there. We don't want any hair to go on undone. So you can also steam the hair, but we're just going to take a heated cap, and we're going to use this heated cap on our hair and just wait for 30 minutes. And yeah, so we're just gonna wait for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes is done, the next thing that we'll have to do is we have to rinse the hair after 30 minutes. Okay, so we've rinsed the hair, and now I'm showing you how you can also take the green tea and you can spray it in the hair and leave it in the hair. During the week when she's moisturizing her hair, instead of using water, she'll be using green tea. Okay, so you just want to put the green tea in the fridge, and then when you wake up in the morning, you take the green tea out, you take your shower, and you then use the green tea and then use a moisturizer after. I'm going to be sealing the green tea with almond oil, and almond oil is very nourishing. It's very moisturizing when coupled with liquid before you use it. So you want to take the almond oil, and we're just going to take it and just put it to the ends of the hair. Please, if you are struggling with your child's hair, if you're struggling with your own hair, we have a Facebook page called Discovering Natural group where you can contact us and we can chit chat with you one-on-one, and you can get the support you need. We're all about building community, building support. We will need people to help us out with our hair. Know that you are not alone, because when it comes to caring for children's hair, it can be a struggle. So to moisturize our hair and stretch it for our next style, I'm going to be using the Kadima Herbal Tea, the herbal hair leave-in conditioner, and this is the herbal leave-in. Yeah, so I'm just putting it throughout our hair and making sure I get it throughout our hair, and I also use my comb to just gently comb it through our hair and walk it through our hair. So with that being said, after we've done that, this is pretty much it. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope this video kind of lets you realize that sometimes when your child is losing hair, it is not because of anything you're doing. It might be their hormone changing or things of that sort. Thank you so much for watching, and guess what? We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.